Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got Logan here from Hooded Uzi. Shout out to him. Shout out to Bubble Justice. Shout out to It's Taylor. Man, like, we in the big leagues now. Yeah. Not that much. My highest video only has 25 views.
Hooded Uzis.
Hooded Uzis.
It's Taylor
Bubble
commented
Justice.
on his
It's
video.
Taylor's. Yeah, they shouted me out.
We're going up there.
They're pretty famous, dude. We don't wanna get anybody else in our video, so we're not gonna show you it for now, right now. But we going up in there. I go way up in there, man.
You got a pack?
It's fine, dude. It's fine. It doesn't bend that far. Let's go, man. Can you get off this? Stop.
He getting up right now. You sure this legal?
Hey! Dude, this is gay.
And he's up.
And I up, dude.
So, some kid staring at him.
Hey, guys.
Go over to the right.
We are the Bobo Justices. Man, guys, we really want to go on the playground in front of us, but then again, so many kids. Don't want to get them in trouble, man. Yeah, I don't want to get these kids in trouble because they on a YouTube video.
Yeah, dude.
I can't do that. Dude. I could probably get yelled at, get in trouble, man. Maybe I could clear out the place.
You could just go to the base.
Can you go move? I'm trying to. No, because they ain't play quarter. Anyway, guys, I'm doing a YouTube video, please.
What?
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Yeah, dude.
I'm gonna be dropping off this.
Are you like wanting us to leave? Yeah.
Oh, sure. No, it's fine. You part of the Bobo Justice family?
No.
Dang it.
My knee just
Fine. Join Bobo Justice, man. We saw the best videos. We got best video. Okay, you gotta move, kid, please.
Okay, you gotta move, kid.
Okay, make sure Alright.
I gotta carry this for my dude. Okay. I'm scared. Alright, here. I got you.
Let him play. You're a criminal with us. Oh shoot. We captured him.
Welcome to Bobo Justice.
Alright, but if we do this,
Alright.
Bobo Justice forever.
Bobo Justice. I don't know what that is.
Bobo Justice, my YouTube channel, man.
I don't know what it means.
Back off, man. It doesn't mean anything.
It doesn't mean nothing.
Don't mean nothing.
It doesn't mean nothing.
Don't 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 mean nothing.
Now a bunch of kids are following us.
I gotta do because we YouTubers. Oh, I hate when people chain up their dogs.
Don't chain your dog.
Don't chain your dogs up, man. It hates. They want to be free, man. They have rights too. They have rights. They shouldn't be chained up, man. They should not be chained up to poles while the other kids are having fun. They should be in the dog park, man. We right by a dog park and they ain't letting the dogs free. So, guys, help dogs. We gotta stop dog abuse.
We could climb on like big hills at the
Dude,
base.
we have to stop. We have to really stop dog abuse. I hate it, man. Like, also, don't put your dog in the back of your car. Like, if you got a truck, don't put it in the back of your car. Dude, they could jump off. Also, don't let them stick. Also, don't let them stick their head out the window. They could also jump out, get really hurt, man. So keep them safe, dude.
Just
Keep
open
them
it
safe.
a little bit or buy them a fan.
Yeah, just buy him a fan or open it a teeny bit, man. We gotta stop them dogs abuse. Stop dog abuse. Also, don't let your cat do any of these either.
You agree that we should stop dog abuse?
Yes. Yes, we should stop dog abuse. Yes. Okay, so guys, basically, don't let your cat go outside if they don't have the proper medicine.
They could go.
They could get fleas. They could get like diseases, man. Don't let your cat do dangerous stuff. We gotta stop animal abuse, dude. And if you have a cat or a dog and you don't want them anymore, if you don't like them anymore, just see what they want. If they can't be tamed or they can't take them to an animal shelter. Don't throw them out a car window.
If a monkey stares at you, it wants to rip your head off.
Yeah, they throw poop too.
So then get rid of it. Don't keep a monkey.
I keep a monkey. If they're nice monkeys.
You don't have a monkey.
If there's a monkey, I want to get a monkey, man.
I've always wanted a monkey, but one time I saw this call of some girl calling the police because a monkey bit their head off.
Anyway, so I want to go any good areas around here, Hiker Heights. Please comment down below if there's any good places in Hiker Heights to climb.
You trying to actually fight? That'd be cool. Fighting at a park on camera.
Nah.
So you want?
Yeah, don't drop your dog off and let him roam. Don't do that. Don't get rid of your dogs. Send them to a proper place where they don't kill dogs or pets. When they don't kill pets if there's too much room or they have disease. Only if they have diseases and they're really, really sick or hurt, then it's alright to put down dogs or animals. But if the dog's all fine, it's just not enough room. Why put down dogs?
Yeah,
why put down dogs? Anyway, I bet you guys are really, really tired of this.
Or bored.
Really bored. So,
let's go to the base.
Dude, this is camera, man.
Listen, let's shut off the camera.
Guys,
make another video at the base.
This was my slightly parkour and stop animal abuse video.
Stop animal abuse.
Stop animal abuse. Who agrees to stop animal abuse?
Who wants to stop?
Nobody wants to stop animal abuse.
All right,
stop animal abuse.
Let's do one last thing.
Okay,
camera, you balance on
guys. So
like this.
Basically, jump off that.
No, balance on it.
Balance on it.
Balance on it.
Balance on it.
Like this.
Okay, we'll do a balancing challenge. You see this pole? This crapping pole. Yeah, I can't get my finger in the camera. Anyway, this is pole right there. Yeah, right there. And we're gonna see how long we can balance on it. The loser has to go in the middle of the park and what? Start screaming?
Yeah.
Start screaming. And go, I got a bite! A mosquito bit me!
Mosquitoes are real.
Okay. I come with sucky. Really?
Can we get some practice in? No practice.
Oh shoot, I feel like I'm gonna die.
Okay.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
No,
go.
We have to stand on. Go. 3. I started a little bit after you, but then I made up for the time. I made up for the time, dude.
I know.
I made up for the time.
Alright, fine.
I made up for the time.
I'll do it.
So, I made up for that time. But, so,
why is my head not there? Listen.
This is a YouTube channel. This ain't no crapping standing on.
Alright.
So, we have to go around the zoo because we don't want to get them in the video. Alright. It might be offensive.
So
Don't know.
I'm gonna go in the middle and scream, I got a mosquito bite.
Gonna go now.
And then we're gonna do another match, but
No more match. No more matches. Okay. Ready? Go. Okay, go, dude. No, right in the middle of there. Right in the middle of there. Go. Okay.
go!
No,
I got a mosquito bite! Whoa!
We have to be like, sound like you need.
Go! I got a mosquito bite! Someone save me! I got a mosquito bite!
Call him stupid.
Ah! It hurts!
I'll do it too.
I got a mosquito bite! Would you like to donate $300 to me?
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. We ain't bribing anyone. We don't do it. Okay, guys. This wrap up our episode on Bobo Justice Final. Made a lot of videos today. Some of them suck. Some of them suck. But we changing this around. Where'd the Flip Logan go, man? Anyway. See ya. And live long and prosper. Bye.